Hi, today we're going to do a quick glow tutorial, textured glow on text or objects. So you get a black background going, you type out whatever you want, or you get your object in the center. You give it an outer glow of a fairly large size of a darker color. You duplicate that layer, go back to your outer glow settings, and shrink that size a little bit and give it a brighter color. This will just give you a kind of a gradient glow effect. It gives it a nice color there. And yeah, I'm gonna get blue and darker blue. That looks good. And I'm also going to give it a stroke to outline the text a little bit to give it more definition. And now I'm going to create a new layer, and I'm going to go into one of my custom brushes there, and I'm just going to click around, cover the text as best I can. Try not to overlap too much on this one. And you take that down, you bring it to an overlay setting. And I'm just going to change the color here. And we're going to give another layer slightly offset. And again, we're going to go to overlay. And that's pretty much it. There you go. You've got your textured glow effect. Hope you enjoyed it.